I have heard Mumbai has dolphins. Let's go meet them. This is my fit for the day because it's too hot in Bombay and I can't handle too many clothes. I'm just gonna add one layer because I don't wanna get too tanned and sunburnt. I'm gonna make this casual and comfy. Look at my hair. I feel like Monica Geller when humidity hits Bombay. So, where is my clutcher? I'm gonna tie my hair. Oh my god. I am bringing my camera as well because, as a photographer, why not? वहाँ से राइट जाना है गाइस, सॉरी राइट जाना है. I think I have to take a ticket from here. No idea. Let's check. That's the ticket place. Oh, thank God they have water. Oh shit. बह रहा है यार, बंद करो इसे. Okay, so the toilet is also here. Oh, there's a machine. And there are people. I don't know how to operate the machine, so I'm gonna go here. Let's check with this lady. Okay, so I don't have cash, and she said if I want to use Google Pay for the ticket, then I have to use this machine, and I have no idea how to use this machine. So let's figure it out. One ticket, yeah. Finally, okay. Thanks. I got the ticket, guys, but I am so fascinated with this museum, Dr. Bhaudaji Lad Sangrahalaya. Look at the building. I'm so excited to go to this Sangrahalaya. Sangrahalaya is museum? I think so, yes. I think they must have a different ticket for that. Let me go and ask. If I can just walk in, then I want to see. Oh my god, this is beautiful, guys. I can see the interiors and it's just amazing. If I can just walk in, then I would want to see this first and then go into the zoo, because I'm gonna spend a lot of time in zoo. Let's check. So apparently there is a different ticket for that. Let me just check how much is it. They organize a lot of things, guys. I cannot even tell you how exciting this is. They have tours for this, and something is going on till 7th June, curated by Shiva Maurya. Okay, this is the scanning code, I guess. Okay, so the ticket for this museum costed me 20 rupees because I'm an Indian citizen. If you're from other country, it's gonna cost you a little bit extra. The scanning code that you can scan and buy the ticket on the website. It's pretty easy process. So let's get into the museum. I'm so excited. There's a checking line that you have to cross and show your ticket over here. Oh my god, look at this masterpiece. Videos and photos are not allowed here. I will try to show you as much as I can. This place is amazing. They said I cannot take videos, but I can take photos. So here are some beautiful photos of this museum. Few small businesses and artists I personally liked. One of them is Dwij. They recycle the old denims and make new products out of them. Most of their products are good looking and useful. This is a very sustainable way of reusing the same product. So go check them out if you like. My second favorite was Heritage Box India. I am a big perfume fan, and this brand makes the perfume with everything authentic and natural without any alcohol. Kannauj is the perfume capital of India, and this is how they make the perfume over there. Considering how pure and natural these perfumes are, the prices were really nominal. The small bottles were for probably 500 and the big ones for 900, which I think was pretty awesome. मैं ज़ू में पता नहीं कब तक जा पाऊँगी गाइस. दिस प्लेस इज़ माई हेवन. I am so lucky. Look at the weather. It is just supporting me so much. It's not sunny. It's just very cloudy and romantic and beautiful. And it's not at all harsh on me. I love this lighting. Okay, so I'm hungry. I have to eat something. It's 11:30. I want to be in my full energy when I meet the dolphins. The cafe around exhibition area doesn't have much to eat. They only have Maggie and pasta and stuff. There's one lady who told me that there is one more cafe inside the zoo. So I think I'm gonna go there and check if I can eat something there. Finally out of the museum. I had no idea that Mumbai had these amazing museums here. And I fell in love with the architecture of this museum. It's 12 o'clock right now and what a beautiful weather. आज मेरे साथ कुछ तो क्रेजी हो रहा है गाइज. आई बॉट द टिकट फॉर द म्यूजियम बट नोबडी स्कैन्ड माई टिकट. दे वर चेकिंग द टिकट्स ऑफ एवरी वन एल्स. आई डोंट नो वाई दे जस्ट डिड नॉट चेक माई टिकट. नाउ व्हेन आई गॉट इन टू द जू they were checking everyone's bags, but they did not check my bag. Thankfully, because I have a huge camera. If they check my bag, then probably they won't allow me, or maybe they will charge me for my camera, but they didn't check it. So I think today is the beautiful day. The God is with me, the sun is with me, the entire world is with me. बस अब मुझे कैफेटेरिया मिल जाए तो. Okay, so if I want to go to the cafeteria, I have to see the dolphins first. That's how they have made the arrangement in the zoo. Okay, something again happened to my audio. All I was trying to say is the penguins were so funny because they were recently fed, and after having food, they all were standing just like this. And if you're thinking that I'm exaggerating, look at this photo. And that was something so different that I saw, and it was really funny. Food. Guys, बहुत गर्मी है. So इज़्ज़त में हमने ठंडा खाना ऑर्डर किया है, which is दही वड़ा. It's not much as a lunch, but I have planned to have Swedish food in IKEA because I have coupon for it and I have been craving Swedish food anyway. So I'm gonna eat little bit here, then walk around the zoo and then go to IKEA and have a proper Swedish lunch. Now I feel that denim hat would have been really helpful right now because the sun is out and I need the protection. But thankfully today I did not forget my sunglasses. Done with the lunch, done with the penguins. Now let me see what else is there in the zoo. Okay, first I kind of felt bad for the tiger But then later I realized the tiger kind of liked it. He keep coming back to the people. They were yelling, shouting, cheering when the tiger arrives. I think tiger likes it. When the tiger saw how people get crazy when he arrives, he keep arriving again and again. Leos always enjoy the attention. Indian people Zindabad. There was a leopard who was sitting peacefully enjoying his afternoon nap. There were few women who came to see the leopard and started yelling. So the leopard looked at them. What will happen when the leopard look at you? अरे भाभी जी आप आ गए ऐसे बोलेगा गुस्सा आ जाता है यार छोड़ो सांभर के साथ चटनी मिलेगा क्या धूप की इंतहा हो रही है गाइस and I might die with this heat. I'm quite interested for hippopotamus, so I just want to go and watch them. Then I will be heading to IKEA. बोल तो रहे हैं यहाँ पे oh the cutie is there in the water. Makes sense. If I were you, I would do the same, buddy. The hippos are doing exactly what anybody should be doing in this heat. Swimming in the water, sleeping in the water. माकड़ बोल दिया यार इतने weird नाम. Okay, place for them. I don't know if it's enough for them. Anyway. This one is sleeping dead. Hey, boo boo. I am melting in the sun. So my trip to zoo is coming to an end. I did not think much about the zoo. I thought okay penguin देखेंगे, lion देखेंगे, क्या ही हो जाएगा. जानवर ही तो हैं, पहले भी तो देखे हैं. But this entire experience of coming to Mumbai Zoo is amazing. Why? Because it's a mixed experience of everything. Oh my god, I'm sweating guys. It's a mixed experience of everything. I am a art lover, so they have a museum for that, and the interior and everything of that museum, the kind of things that are saved in that museum is amazing. About the zoo, there are so many families who come here. The experience is very wholesome. The cafeteria food is very nice. At every step, they have washroom and they have water facility. They have benches all over the zoo, so you can relax anytime. You can drink water. You can relax and keep going in the zoo. I saw one father and son. The son was sitting on the shoulder of the father, and the father was roaming around the zoo and making the child see the zoo. That is the core memory, guys. If you are someone who has a family, this is the amazing place for Sunday picnic. Okay, so I am done. I'm gonna head to IKEA, have my Swedish lunch, spend some time in AC because I am melting here. I hope you enjoy this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.